Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view your location on your Snapchat profile, updated with the latest settings. Whether you want to check where you appear on the Snap Map or just want to share your location with friends, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open Snapchat on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the main camera screen, tap your Bitmoji or profile icon in the top left corner to open your profile. This is where all your personal info and settings can be found. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small gear icon that's your settings menu. Tap it. This will open a long list of all your Snapchat settings. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Privacy. Under that section, you'll see an option that says See My Location. Tap it to open your location settings. This is where you control who can view your location on the Snap Map. If you want your friends to see where you are, make sure Ghost Mode is turned off. When Ghost Mode is on, no one can see your location. It hides you completely from the map. So, toggle Ghost Mode off, and then you'll get a few sharing options. You can choose My Friends to let all your Snapchat friends see your location. Or if you'd like more control, select Custom. The Custom option lets you pick specific friends who can view your location, giving you the privacy you need while still staying connected. After choosing your preferred setting, exit the menu. Your changes will automatically save, and your location will update the next time you open Snapchat. And that's it. You've successfully viewed and adjusted your location settings on your Snapchat profile. If this helped you out, take a moment to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech guides just like this one. Thanks for watching.